Hi everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food. And in this video I am going to share a few facts about oats, how they are processed, types of oats, and when you should eat oats, and a few tips to store the oats for a longer time. So keep watching the video. Now, oats are the whole grain that are actually the seed of the oat plant. Whole oats are usually unprocessed after they are harvested. They undergo a cleaning and roasting process to get that final product. Though the covering of the oats strips away in the process but retains the nutrients and fibers, making it one of the healthiest food. Oats are gluten-free and have a low glycemic index with many minerals like manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin 1, vitamin B5, making them even healthier. Oats are a good source of complex carbohydrate and fiber with protein and some amount of fat. There are three types of oatmeal. The rolled oats, the instant oat are the mostly known. The difference between these two oats depend on the processing of the oats. The rolled oats are flat flakes that are husked and crushed then rolled, whereas instant oats are most processed one. They are pre-cooked, dried, rolled and then pressed slightly thinner than the rolled ones. Now the third variety of oat is also known as steel cut oat, and these are coarse oat that look like broken wheat with a chewing texture. The cooking time is more than the rolled and instant oats, and you may need to soak it few hours before cooking them. The high amount of fiber content. As we know that oats are high in fiber, it keeps you full for longer time. Eating oatmeal in the morning will help to keep you full for a longer time, avoiding small snack in between the meals. So great for weight loss. Eating oatmeal in the morning will also help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. The carbohydrate and protein content. Oatmeals are high in complex carbohydrate and also contain protein, making it a perfect macronutrient. Gives you energy for the whole day, and when taken with fruits, it adds vitamins, minerals too. The perfect breakfast. They also lower the bad cholesterol levels in the body, or the LDL, and stabilizes your blood sugar level. Oats also boost the immunity and keeps you energetic. Oats are complex carbohydrate that are digested slowly in the body, making it a great option for weight loss. Now, there is no specific time to eat oatmeal. Eat whenever you feel like. But studies show that having oats in the breakfast is best. It provides you with complex carbohydrate which gives you energy to work for the rest of your day. The fiber keeps you full for a longer time and helps in healthy digestion, resulting in proper bowel movements. So make a bowl of oats in the morning and serve with milk and vegetables or nuts to complete it. So here are a few tips to store the oats for longer time. So store the oats in an airtight container and keep them in a cool and dry place. Or you can also keep them in a tightly sealed plastic bag for more extended storage. It is best to store the grains in a glass container. So using an airtight glass container would be nice. For even more longer storage, spread a thin layer of oats under the sun for sun drying. Especially in a humid climate, this can help for better preservation. This helps in the preservation of every kind of grains. So you can sun dry all your grains for longer storage. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones, and I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health articles, please visit my website at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.